Talking about me and saying vulgar things about each other.
No, I told him he can pee right here. Because he said 2 minutes max, so I'm like, might as well just pee here. My stomach hurts now.
Gosh.
I didn't do this part yet. Nails matches it.
It does not.
It matches the cooler. What's that?
We have Paul's in front of us. You guys can't see.
Wait, bunso number 3.
Hindi siya bunso. Mas matanda yun sa akin.
Mas matanda pa sa mas mabata pa yun sa akin.
Kuya ko yun.
Oh.
But
And enjoys your aunt. We're gonna see each.
well, she's older.
What grade are you? Grade 9?
Grade 9, I wouldn't be here.
Yeah, you can. You can go grade 9 here.
I just noticed we're recording, but then we're not recording. Yo, Paul,
Gulu got hiking.
where? Hey, look!
You missed it! I said dito na lang. Right here. It's free! Or ito oh!
Okay, wait. That is disturbing.
I like Obama.
Heidi!
I said that. I said that.
Say it in person, though.
Gulu got Heidi.
Gulu go.
Gulu got Heidi. Nakukulong Heidi. Look what we're doing.
Man, it's so hard to rap in Tagalog. What the hell?
And look at my lowest mark.
Like, she could see that. It's cross.
5.5. I got an 8 out of 11.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Hindi.
You're recording.
Yung dito sa ano, sa katabi ko.
Paul, dito. Here.
May pen ka? Pen?
Meron.
Pen? Parang ano mo?
Anong kulay?
Pen?
Anong kulay?
Black.
Oh, I have purple.
Reese's ko naman.
I have purple. I don't have a black pen. I don't know where I have it.
Paul, just come here for like 2 seconds. About 2 seconds.
Ano yan? Can you see?
Exemption.
Oh,
You.
you got exempt?
Yes.
Oh, you got
Are you kidding me?
Oh my god!
Whatever, I got exempt too.
Ano nilagay?
Sa history, I got exempt.
Yes.
Bakit? Wala akong black pen
Bina.
nga.
Hey, Carl.
Black pen.
Ngayon wala ka record yun.